Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate the PrestaShop Connector in Odoo, which helps in seamless synchronization of customers, orders, product, and stock between PrestaShop and Odoo. This integration reduces manual effort, avoid errors, and improve overall efficiency. First, we will install PrestaShop menu. After installing PrestaShop menu, we'll go to PrestaShop, Configure, Advanced Parameters, Web Services. Here you can see Add New Web Service Key. Add a key here, a key description, and enable Web Service Key. Give permission to the resources as per your need. Save these details. I have already created one web service key. Copy this web service key and enable PrestaShop Web Service and CGI mode for PHP for a better communication between PrestaShop and Odoo. Now we'll go to Odoo, PrestaShop and Sync. Here you can see I have already configured. You can add the name here, PrestaShop URL, shop ID, PrestaShop name, and default warehouse. After adding these details, API credential sync information, click on configure and the draft stage will change to activated. After activated, you will see here import tab, export tab, and auto import or export tab. In import customer address, categories, product attributes of features, products, stock, and orders. In export, it's same except for product combination. In auto import or export, the features are here. To import customers, we'll go to import tab, import customer. You can see here the pop-up will come by showing that one is imported or updated or created or failed. After this, we will check here PrestaShop contacts imported. The contact has been imported. To check a specific customer, we'll go to customer's profile, the name, click on name, and you will see here PrestaShop details. To export the specific customer, we'll go to actions, export customer to PrestaShop. You can see here export completed. After this, export all customers will go to PrestaShop, export customers. You can see here. After this, if you want to import the customer address, you can import from here. Click on import address and to import it. To check this, now we will export customer address. Click on export address. You can see here export completed. To check this, we'll go to PrestaShop customers addresses. Here you can see the address has been updated. In customer, you can also see here now we will import product attributes of features. Here you can see import completed. Now we will export this attributes of features. Export attributes and features. Now we will import categories. Here you can see category has successfully imported. To check these details, we'll go to export. Now we will export this product categories. Export. Now to check these details, we'll go to PrestaShop catalog, products, categories. Here you can see category has been updated. And here you can see in sales, configure categories. See. Now we will import products. Here you can see one product has been imported. Now we will check this product. We'll export this product. Now we will export this product. Export product. Now to check this, we'll go to products. Here you can see. And in Odoo, you can see. Now we will import the stock. Here it is. Now we will export this stock. To check the details, we'll go to PrestaShop stock. You can see here. Now we will import orders. Here you can see import completed. Now we will export. Now we will go to export tab and product combination. We will export. Here you can see product has been exported. Here you can see carriers, which type of carriers you want with the delay or active and Odoo delivery carriers, the name and PrestaShop. You can add here. You can see. There are logs, import logs and export logs for the particular fields. Here you can see success logs and error logs. Export logs here. Here it is. That's all for this demo of the PrestaShop connector with Odoo. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more such demos. Feel free to reach out for any queries. Thank you.